Sunflower oil benefits. Long life with lasting happiness is the message of the sunflower. As this smiling flower is used on many special occasions, its seeds add variety and flavor to snack platters. The oil derived from these tasty seeds boasts a myriad of incredible benefits, making it a popular choice for both health-conscious consumers and culinary enthusiasts. So, let's judge whether it gives energy for a long-lasting happy life. Here are 10 incredible benefits of sunflower oil. Number 1. Culinary versatility. The first and main thing we know about sunflower oil is that it is one of the best cooking oils. Its mild flavor and light, neutral aroma make it an excellent choice for cooking, as it doesn't overpower the natural taste of the ingredients in a dish. Its neutral profile allows it to be used in a variety of culinary applications. Its high smoke point makes it great for sautéing, frying, baking, and as a salad dressing base. Incorporating sunflower oil into your diet can provide a natural energy boost. Adding a small amount to your lunchtime salad can leave you feeling naturally invigorated at work or school. The fatty acid content in sunflower oil is associated with energy levels, with unsaturated fats, predominant in sunflower oil, helping to maintain vitality, while saturated fats can induce sluggishness. Beyond the kitchen, sunflower oil finds use in various industrial applications. It is utilized in the production of biodiesel, as a base for certain cosmetics and skincare products, and as a carrier oil in the formulation of essential oils and aromatherapy products. Apart from cuisine, sunflower oil is mostly mentioned in skincare. Number 2. Nourish the skin. Beyond its internal benefits, sunflower oil offers external advantages for the skin. It is a popular ingredient in skincare products due to its emollient properties. Sunflower oil helps lock in moisture, preventing dryness and promoting soft, supple skin. Sunflower oil, being non-comedogenic, absorbs into the skin without clogging pores. Its non-irritating nature makes it suitable for various skin types, from dry and sensitive to oily and acne-prone, making it particularly effective in moisturizers for individuals with mild acne-prone skin requiring additional hydration. It can also aid in soothing irritated skin and may be beneficial for conditions like eczema and dermatitis. The protective qualities of sunflower oil extend to the skin by strengthening membrane barriers, making it more challenging for bacteria and viruses to enter the body. Particularly recommended for infants, sunflower oil can protect premature babies from infections. Beyond the skin, it proves its versatility through its supportive actions in maintaining a healthy body. Number 3. Support heart health. Sunflower oil is primarily composed of triglycerides, which are fats consisting of 3 fatty acid chains attached to a glycerol molecule. The predominant fatty acids in sunflower oil include linoleic acid, an omega-6 fatty acid, oleic acid, a monounsaturated fatty acid, and smaller amounts of saturated fats. These essential fatty acids contribute to maintaining healthy cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases, and promoting overall heart well-being. Regular consumption of sunflower oil can be a crucial element in a heart-healthy diet. High oleic sunflower oils, with 80% or more monounsaturated fats, play a role in reducing cardiovascular diseases and the risk of heart attacks. Number 4. Provide antioxidants. Loaded with vitamin E, a potent antioxidant, sunflower oil helps protect the body's cells from oxidative stress. This protective shield against free radicals can aid in preventing premature aging and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. The antioxidant properties also contribute to maintaining healthy skin, keeping it vibrant and youthful. Number 5. Boost immune system. Sunflower oil is a natural source of immune-boosting nutrients, such as vitamin E and selenium. These components play a crucial role in supporting the immune system's function, helping the body fend off infections and illnesses. Incorporating sunflower oil into your diet can be a tasty way to fortify your body's natural defense mechanisms. Number 6. Aid hair care. Beyond its culinary and skincare applications, sunflower oil can be a game changer in hair care. Its light texture and nourishing properties make it an excellent conditioner for dry and damaged hair. Regular use can help hydrate the scalp, reduce frizz, and promote overall hair health, leaving your locks shiny and revitalized. Number 7. Support bone health. Sunflower oil contains essential nutrients like phosphorus and magnesium, which are crucial for maintaining strong and healthy bones. These minerals work in tandem to support bone density and may contribute to the prevention of conditions like osteoporosis. Including sunflower oil in your diet can be a tasty way to fortify your skeletal system. Number 8. Help weight management. Despite being a calorie-dense oil, sunflower oil can play a role in weight management. The monounsaturated fats in sunflower oil contribute to a feeling of satiety, helping control appetite. When used in moderation as part of a balanced diet, it can be a valuable tool for those seeking to manage their weight. Number 9. Improve digestive health. Sunflower oil is rich in unsaturated fats, which can aid in promoting digestive health. These healthy fats help the body absorb fat-soluble vitamins and support the proper functioning of the digestive system. Including sunflower oil in your cooking can contribute to a well-balanced and digestive-friendly diet. Number 10. Offer anti-inflammatory benefits. This widely used vegetable oil contains compounds with anti-inflammatory properties, such as tocopherols and carotenoids. These elements may help alleviate inflammation in the body, making sunflower oil a potential ally in managing inflammatory conditions. Incorporating it into your diet can contribute to an overall anti-inflammatory effect, supporting your body's well-being. So, does sunflower oil live up to its name? Now is your turn to say it.